Hello everybody, I want to show you this video how you can insert a SIM card at the Huawei P30 Pro. So for that we need next to the phone the pin, and the pin is part of the box. If you remove this one, you will find it in the instruction box. Put your finger like this, put it a bit up and it is released. Otherwise you could use also the edge of a paper clip. Okay, and if you have the phone like this, you will find on the bottom of the phone the SIM tray here, the small one. And a part of the SIM tray is a small hole, and with the edge of the pin or the paper clip you enter that hole, press a bit and it will come out. So, okay, and if you have the SIM tray like this, there's with them which one is SIM 1 and SIM 2 or the NM card, so that means the SD card. Okay, let us start with the first SIM card at SIM 1. So the contacts are always on the top, and the missing corner is on the missing corner. So completed. It has to look like this. And on the second position, you are able also to enter a second SIM card if you have the dual SIM version, or otherwise an NM card, so the SD card. Or if you have the single SIM version, then you can just enter one SIM card and an SD card. Let us put now this construction back into the phone like this. So the hole has to be here. And be sure that's completely closed because the phone is waterproofed, as you know. I hope I could help you with this video and answer a question. And maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. It would be very helpful for more videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or may just subscribe me. Would be a pleasure to see you again. And maybe until next time. Ciao.